Hello everyone, this is E. I suppose you might know me for telling stories about some truly enchanting and delightful engines, which some may describe as simply enterprising. Some may argue, however, that I may have left someone out. I can't imagine who, though. Huh? What was that? Who's that puffing down the line? It seems I've forgotten someone crucial. A delightful, true and blue little engine who time and time again proves to be a really useful one. Is this a cause for celebration? I mean... He's the number one, all right. And as some might deduce, a lot of us wouldn't be here, there, or anywhere without Thomas. Oh yeah, and I'm totally telling a Thomas story soon. This was a glimpse of what's to come. Gotta love that omniscient foresight, am I right?